Hey guys, what was Rex, and today I'm going to show you the tutorial for this piece of the Slytherin Rooms alternate build. It goes on the bottom of the building because it has the rock face. The rest of the alternate build's over there, as you guys can see. Then there's a little bit of interior. That's kind of cool. And then I will show you guys how to build it. So, the first few pieces you're going to need is, sorry guys, first few pieces you're going to need is one of these. It's like Fox's stand. I can get to focus. One of those pieces. Then you're going to need a goblet piece with a 1x1 circle gold piece in it. And then you'll need one of the tiny minifigures to just go right there. And then that piece can go here. I'll take these off so you guys aren't bothered by it. And then right in the middle, you'll put 4 of these gold studs of the 8x8 gray plate, then 2 cheese slopes right there. Then, if you want to build a table, we're going to build a chair. In the chair, you will need one of these pieces, just the lighter brown piece with a 2x2 maroon piece. And you can connect that like that. And then you'll need one of these pieces, and that'll go there, so it should look like that. Oh, sorry. And then you should take 2 of these and put a 2x2 jumper piece on it, like that. Then you can connect it there. And then I'll take this, and you can put that piece on the 4 studs. On the 4 studs. Then to build the table, you'll need one of these, and then you'll need one of these 2x4 brownish pieces, and another one of these, and you can put it on the bottom, then a goblet, and it can just go right there, and that can go 1 stud away from the edge. And then for the next piece of the build, we're going to start with the poles that go on it. So to build the first pole, you'll need one of these 1x1 pieces with a hole in the middle. Then you can stack 3 of these on top, and then make 1 more of them. So you have these 2 pieces, and those can go by that cheese slope and by that cheese slope. So you should have that. And then the next 2 pieces you'll need are one of these and one of these. You can stack that like that. And on the build, it should go on top of that one. So your build should be looking like this. And then for the other side, you're going to need one of these also, and one of these, just mirror it. Then I'll take this and put it there, so your build should be looking like that. And then you can take 4 of these 1x2 tan pieces and stack them on top of each other like that. Then put them 4 studs away from that piece right there. So your build should be looking like this. And then on the other side, you're going to need 4 more of those pieces stacked. So 4 more 1x2 light tan pieces, and go 4 away from the front, from this pole on the other side. So your build should be looking like this. And then the next thing you're going to need is one of these. And then you're going to put one of these sloped pieces like that. And you're going to need a brick and put it like that. And then on this build, it should go right there. So if you're looking at the build from the back, it should look like that. It should go over there. And that side should be look like that. So you just stacked it there next to these 1x2 pieces. And for the other side, these 2 pieces are going to stay the same, except you need a 1x2 tan piece this time. And on the build, that should go directly on the other side. So like that. That's what your build should be looking like so far. The next piece that you're going to need is one of these. And you're going to stack 2 windows on top of that. So you should have the 2 studs in the back and 1 piece missing right there, under there. And you should stack 2 window frames with the window panes inside. And then that can go right there in the front, touching the line. So you can go like that, and the windows should be flat with those pieces. And then the next piece of the build you're going to need is you're going to need 3 of these. And you're going to stack those 3 on top of each other. Then on top of that, you'll need one of the darker ones to stick like that. And that should go right here, just to stick it there. For more support. Then on the other side, you're going to stack 2 of these. Then under them, put one of those, the darker tan pieces, the nougat pieces, and then put another tan one under it, so your pole should be looking like this. And then that can go on the other side right there. And then the next pieces you're going to need are, you're going to need 2 of these tan pieces. And this tan piece can go here, and the other tan 1x1 brick should go here. Your build should be looking like that. And then you're going to need one of these pieces like we used on the other side. Oopsies. Oops. And you're going to put it there. So you have an archway. And then you're going to take another one of those and put it on the other side. So you have another archway. So your build should be looking like this. Or, yeah. And remember, with the extra pieces, you can mod the build how you want, but again, it might not fit the other 2 segments that I want to do. And then you're going to need 2 1x2 bricks stacked on top of each other. And those can go right behind the archway pieces we just put on, so right there. And then you're going to need 2 more of them stacked and just put it on the other side like that. And then in the front here, you're going to need a 1x8 tan piece. And that can just stick right there. Oops, this is falling off. That can go right there on top of these windows and those pieces. And then the next piece you're going to need is a 1x3 tan piece, and that can go right there. So the front, and it should go on the left side with this hand, and then you're going to need a 1x4 piece, 1x4 tan piece to go right there on the left side, and then a 1x2 brick nougat color piece to go right there. Oops, this pole's fallen. The pole is kind of flimsy when you haven't put together the whole build, so that should go like that. And then you're going to need another 1x3 tan piece to stick on the other side. So, let's see here. To put like that. And then in the front now, you'll need one of these pieces, a 1x4 tan, and that can just go directly in the center. Then you'll need one of these 1x1 tan pieces, and that can go, on the left side. Then a 1x1 nougat piece, and that can go on the right side. So it should be looking like that. And then you're going to need a 1x8 tan piece, and that should go on this side. And it doesn't matter which side you put it on, because you're going to need another 1x8 tan piece on the other side. If I said 1x1 for the last one, I'm sorry. And then you're going to need a 1x4 tan piece, and that's going to stick onto there. And then a 1x2 tan piece, and that's going to stick onto there. And then you'll need a 1x8 brown flat piece to put on the back there. So it should be put above where you can see inside. And you're going to need a 1x4 studded brown piece. Oops, I dropped it again. And that should go one stud away from that piece, from the other brown piece. Then you're going to do the same thing on the other side and put it one stud away again. And like that. And then you're going to need this piece, and you can put that in the front. So that's going to be the end of how you build the Slytherin rooms, Snape's office room. I hope you guys can actually know what I'm doing. I don't know if I went too fast or I just wasn't showing it well enough, but I hope you guys can build it too. And yeah, that's the Slytherin rooms, Snape's classroom. This is part 2 of 4. I should be uploading the third part of the 4 video series next Tuesday. They come out every Tuesday, and the next build should be of the Slytherin common room in there, and then the last build will be of the potions room. So yeah, that's the Snape's potions room from the Slytherin rooms tower. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.